To create workflows in e-HRMS 2.0, firstly, we have to log in as Nodal. So as you can see, we have already logged in as Nodal Officer. So we will go to Settings, and I will click on Manage Workflow. And here, first of all, we will look for the reimbursement workflows and click the rupee icon in front of them to set the maximum amount an employee can claim as per their pay level. You can set the maximum limits and save it. After saving this setting, we will go back, and we will do the PFMS setting, so we will click on the PFMS setting. Click on Yes. After that, we will select the controller name, PO, like this. Add the DDO code as per the nodal official requirement, PD code and Chalan financial year. After entering the details, click on Submit to save settings. Now, we will create the approval workflow channel. To create a workflow, click the plus icon next to the name of an available module. Let's take an example of telephone reimbursement. Click on the plus icon. Then select the number of levels by which this application gets approved. So now we will generate a 3-level workflow. Here, you need to enter the names of the roles given to the dealing hands at each level. In the category, you can specify the pay levels assigned to the dealing hands. Now, select the pay levels of the employees whose applications will come to this particular user, official. Now, we will select the user as the first dealing hand of the approval workflow. Then we have to take care of two things: the issuing officer and the approving officer. The approving role will be given to the last level in the workflow by default. But you can check the issuing officer at any level, who will e-sign the sanction letter after the approval of the application. So, you can select the issuing officer at any level. In the second stage, we can add a section officer and assign the employees to it as per pay level. Similarly, we will follow the process for the third and final level of approval. User, test user, 03@gov.in. We will select this and submit it, and yes, now, we will click on the submit button. Also, you can check the preview of the workflow generated and check the authorities in it. So, the workflow has been generated and now this particular module will be functional at the employee side, and the employee can start filing the applications to get them approved via these workflows.